Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we have a list of top 10 best sports anime 2021. So if you enjoy the video, please leave a like. And if you are new, don't forget to subscribe. Now without any further delay, let's begin. At number 10, Sayonara Watashi no Grammar. Soccer fans do not fret because 2021's got your back, and this time instead of big muscly guys trying to kill each other, we have got cute girls with vibrant personalities. Coming together to play soccer, what else could you ask for? You get this beautiful cast with unique personalities, all facing one challenge, practicing soccer in terms of action and hype. It might not reach many others on our list, but what matters is the emotional story and the character goals that lie between each of the show's integral moments. When it comes to sports anime, everyone speaks about basketball, volleyball, baseball, or anything else that has the word ball in it. But what about good old surfing yappy who wants to dive into the days of the Grand Blue anime, where surfing and diving were considered to be the best sports in anime? Fortunately, bringing back the trend this season is wave surfing yappy. It seems simple in terms of plot because all you see is one prince looking boy teaching another one how to dive, but what matters in this anime is the character interactions. Hayuko would never be the great anime it is if it didn't create powerful character relationships, right? So Wave succeeds in that regard and in giving us a cool surfing anime. This year is really the year of variety when it comes to sports anime, isn't it? This time we have a martial arts anime as the spot now. I know it has been done before with shows like God of High School and King and Ashura, but Shakunetsu Cavity focuses way more on the high school side of things, while also giving a nice and slow character growth to our main character. It is rare to see high school anime get mixed in with martial arts in such a balancing fashion, and if reviews on the manga are right, then this is sure going to be one of those big surprises. Here comes volleyball now. We don't know if we'll ever get an anime about volleyball to match the hype and tension of Haikyuu. But from what I have watched so far, Saturn comes close. It's got the Haikyuu vibes mixed in with the regular Adrenal Impact action. It follows Kimichika Hijama and his childhood friend Yuni Kuroba. They enroll in the high school volleyball club but soon realize things are a lot harder than they seem. That sure won't be the next Haikyuu, but it can definitely fill your sports anime taste of this season. Everyone was focusing on skates this season, so it was no wonder this sunk up to the depths of the anime ocean. Skate leading stars may not give you the same feeling as skates in the Infinity, especially because we are speaking about two different kinds of skating, but it comes close in terms of character and their developments. A group of boys get together and form the team known as skate leading in order to complete a unique form of figure skating. The premise may not hook you up, which might have been the reason for this show being so underrated, but if you are looking beyond the premise and into the characters, you are sure to find something that you can binge on. We have seen cute cat girls in anime, but have you ever seen horse girls? Nope, and that's not an insult, because Uma Musume is literally filled with those horse girls running around trying to win each and every race they participate in. Once again, this is one of those animes where bizarreness really plays for its advantage, because it's always going to be an enjoyable watch when you know you can expect something unique. The second season of this anime is airing this season, so why not just binge watch both scenes? Perhaps it will motivate you to run faster. This is one of those long-running sports anime with 2 seasons, so the movie that is going to sum things up is surely going to be something memorable. It may start off with something simple like a swimming anime, but like many anime of the genre, it evolved into a story about characters and how each of them achieved their own goals and ambition. The movie was announced during the end of the second season. It was planned to be released in 2020, but surprise, surprise, the pandemic started, but now Free is finally free to be released and we can expect it to arrive in the middle of 2021. So put those goggles on and get ready for some swimming. I have to remind you how unique this year is in terms of sports anime, because next up we have a unique anime about gymnastics. This is an anime that we are speaking of, and you know how anime can pull off something great. Even while something simple is going on, well, Bakuten seems to have a promising start, because from the short trailers itself, I saw some clear and crisp animation plus an interesting main character. This is an anime original show, so I cannot predict anything, but I pray it will live up to our expectations.
そろそろ時間だ、ノマド。
A new type of boxing comes into town where robotic limbs known as gear enhance the user's power and agility. In the first seasons, we met Junk Duck, who went on his battle royal as he ascended the power scales, fighting one opponent after the other and learning some valuable lessons along the way. The second season of Megalobox is releasing this spring, so you can keep your eye open for that one. It will surely lift up the skates for our boxer, shine the spotlight of some minor characters, and bring some new events to the mix to kick things with high tension. Needless to say, if you are checking for sports anime, then this one that you should be the most hyped for.
俺は知ってる。俺の幸せは
This winter season's top sports anime spot was taken by Skate the Infinity. I mean, why not? You have got this cool and unique premise of a skating game that happens underground. You have the main character who has a lot to learn and slowly starts to develop with each game. You get the usual adrenaline rushing hype as the tension rises with each passing second, and finally, to top it off, there also seems to be a good story running in the background. Skate takes a lot of boxes when it comes to sports anime, and it's one of those shows you should definitely binge watch. That's it for today's video. I hope you like it, and please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe the channel. If you are new, remember to hit the notification button for any more upcoming videos.